Passenger ship cruise ship departments and job roles. Watch till end to know the average salaries for all departments at different levels. 1. Deck department. Responsible for navigation, safety, and overall ship operations. 2. Engine department. Ensures the ship's mechanical and technical systems function properly. 3. Hotel department. Manages guest accommodations, dining, and services. 4. Food and beverage department. Prepares and serves meals and drinks to guests. 5. Entertainment department. Provides entertainment and activities for guests. 6. Medical department. Provides healthcare services to guests and crew. 7. Security department. Ensures the safety and security of all on board. 8. Retail and spa department. Manages onboard shops and wellness services. Briefcase salary overview. Salaries on cruise ships can vary widely based on position, experience, and cruise line. Here's a general overview. Entry-level positions, e.g., food service workers, deckhands $22,930 to $40,244 per year. Mid-level positions, e.g., stewards, security officers $44,455 to $56,510 per year. Senior positions, e.g., executive chefs, cruise directors $74,816 to $96,334 per year. Note, these figures are averages and can vary based on the cruise line, ship size, and individual experience.